皆さん、こんにちは。Hello, everyone. I'm Japanese teacher Liu. Today, I want to answer a question that people ask. Can I master Japanese in 3 months? Yeah, some people say no, it's impossible. But others say you can master Japanese in 13 days. Yeah, honestly, both are wrong. Yeah, it's like if you study right way, you can master conversation of Japanese. No master, but you can speak Japanese. So I want to show you exactly. Well, and also I'm offering Japanese lesson. Right now I'm offering discount which is Japanese lesson. Yes, please check it out in my description. And also I'm offering coaching program. So please check it out. お願いします. Well, let's go. First month, survival Japanese. Yes. So the first month is not about becoming fluent. It's about surviving in Japanese. Yes. So you just learning first. Hiragana. Hiragana is 46 characters. Yeah. But don't panic. It's okay. If you start to learning Japanese at hiragana, you can master in 1 week. And also, yeah, after learning hiragana, you can learn vocabs. And then you can try to make sentence. Like easy sentence is okay. Like 私は亮です. I'm Liu. Also, I think is the most important sentence in Japan. トイレはどこですか? Where is the toilet? Yeah, because trust me, if you remember this Japanese sentence, you will be safe life in Japan. Yeah, definitely. Yes, the most important key is learning vocabs. Okay, must to. Yeah, speaking Japanese. Yeah, most learners are making mistake. Like most people thinking about grammar. Yeah, but it's no. You need more speaking. Yes, for example, start using easy sentence. Something tied as like want to. 私は寿司を食べたいです。私は寿司を食べたいです。I want to eat sushi. Yeah? Yes. So now suddenly you can speak Japanese. Easy sentence. Yeah. Now you are not just studying Japanese. You are using Japanese. It's very good things. Yeah, keep going to speak Japanese. Month 3, real Japanese. Yes, this month is most fun part. Yeah, month 3 is when Japanese becomes real. Yes. So you start things like watching YouTube, listening to podcast, talking with Japanese people. At first, you will understand maybe 10%, but it's normal. So suddenly one day, if you continue to do that, you can understand more. Yes, like おはようございます and your brain goes, wait, I understand that. Yes, that moment is magical, right? Yeah. Okay. Yes, the biggest mistake. Yeah. Now let me tell you the biggest mistake. Most learners think like that. I study like grammar. Yeah, that's good things, but language is not Mars. Yeah, language is communication, right? If you want to learn Japanese first, you must do three things: speak, listen, repeat. Yeah, output input balance is important. Yes. Well, every day, even 10 minutes is fine in a day. Because if you consistently to do that, you're gonna be more master about Japanese. Yes. So, can you learn Japanese in 3 months? Not perfectly, but you can speak Japanese. Yes. It's the most important step. Yes. If you want help to learn Japanese, I'm offering Japanese lesson and Japanese coaching program. So please check it out. And also, I'm offering free trial, and right now it's discount about learning lesson, Japanese lesson. And also, coaching program is 50% off. Please check it out in my description. Yeah, you can know more detail about how to study Japanese. Well, thank you for watching my video. I hope you continue to learn Japanese. 私の動画見てくれてありがとうございます。それでは次の動画でお会いしましょう。See you in the next video. さよなら。バイバイ。